Engineer Justin informed me he needs some help, so if you would please push on the row in front of you. Yes, now only on the row, not on the vehicle. We'll do it together. Ready? All right, here goes. 1, 2, 3, push! Yes, yes, nicely done. Hey, now that we're moving, you folks on the back of the train can wave at our depot master, Ramona. Yeah, Ramona, we'll see her in a day or two. Yeah, we can. You know, Dollywood is known as the friendliest place in the Smokies, and it's up to us on the train to keep it that way. So as we roll out of town, I want you to get your hands up in the air, start waving at these folks. And on the count of three, how about a big southern howdy? 1, 2, 3, howdy! That's great. Well, just keep on being friendly while I tell you a little bit about this rolling piece of history. December 7th, 1941, came the attack on Pearl Harbor and World War II. After the attack, it was determined that a military highway was needed to protect Alaska. So in 1942, the U.S. Army took over the White Pass and Yukon Railroad of Skagway, Alaska, and used it to move the materials and personnel needed to build the Alcan Military Highway. Now, in April of 1943, Dollywood Locomotive Works in Eddystone, Pennsylvania, built our narrow-gauge Mikado engine 192. Now, she weighs just over 211,000 pounds. It is a genuine coal-fired, steam-driven Type 282 locomotive. Now that 282 simply means she's got 2 wheels up front, 8 larger drive wheels in the middle, and 2 wheels in the back. Now after engine 192 was built, she was shipped to the White Pass and Yukon Railroad and was later commissioned as part of the United States Army. Over 280,000 tons of supplies and materials, as well as thousands of troops and other personnel, travel behind this engine and others like her. Up to 34 trains a day ran in support of the road construction, and in only 9 months, what seemed impossible became possible. The Alcan Highway was completed. In case you didn't realize it, you do now. You are riding behind a veteran of World War II. We here at Dollywood are proud of all our veterans from all branches of the military. And our thoughts and prayers are with those on active duty today. In 1960, engine 192 was retired from the White Pass and Yukon Railroad, and in 1961, it was sold to an East Tennessee theme park named Rebel Railroad. It was then that she affectionately became known as Klondike Katie. That's why it's here. That's Al up there. Maybe Chris. Let's see. Yeah, I think it's Al. Yeah, give a big wave. He likes that. Klondike Katie has remained with us throughout the evolution of the park, from Rebel Railroad to Go Rush Junction to Silver Dollar City and on to the present-day Dollywood, where she continues her tradition of hard work. Now I just want you to sit back and relax and enjoy the scenic wonders of our Great Smoky Mountains. Climbs up the mountain and imagine, just imagine year's 1851 and you are riding on Tennessee's very first steam train, the Tennessean. guess by now the word did get out. Yes, folks, we had a little excitement on our 3:15 train. There was a black bear spotted up here in this clearing on the left-hand side. Now, I doubt very seriously that bear's going to wander back out, but you never know. Oh, wait, yeah, there it is. Yes, just barely saw it. Yeah. It's okay, kids. It's scared stiff of the train. Bear with me. They make me do them jokes. I don't do it. They can be unbearable. Yeah, just grin and bear it. Hey, I might need a bear hug after this is all over. Well, it's not like I told you a bad possum joke, such as, what did the crow say to the possum as he's crossing the road? Car! 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 Guess I shouldn't try that either. The Cherokee Indians named these mountains the place of the blue smoke. These mountains are the natural habitat for more flowering plants and trees than anywhere else in the United States. Even in the air, you can hear the music of over 200 different species of birds. The Smokies are a never-ending song that change with each season and with each pair of eyes. Now, we here at Dollywood are awfully proud of our engines, so much so that, well, we'd like to sound off a little bit, toot our own horn. What do you say, folks? On the count of three, let's tell them to blow the whistle. What do you think? All right, let's be loud so I can hear you. 1, 2, 3, blow the whistle! About that, let's give Engineer Al and Klondike Katie a big round of applause. And that's Klondike Katie saying, thank you. Thank you very much. And we look obviously, some of you already have noticed at least a portion of the Great Smoky Mountains. Always breathtakingly beautiful, but particularly beautiful this time of year with the fall colors. This marks the 81st anniversary of the founding of the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. At the dawn of the 20th century, there were well over 1,200 farms in these mountains, and each homestead usually consisted of basically the same thing. You had your main house for sleeping, the chicken house for gathering eggs, a smokehouse for curing their meat, and a spring house for keeping their milk and butter cold. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. They did have another house called the outhouse. And kids, that was used for I tell you what, kids, ask your parents what that was used for. Now, if your parents look confused, ask your grandparents if they happen to be with you. While you're at it, ask about the woodshed. I tell you about it, but remember, it's still too painful. Now, some of you noticed this on the way up the mountain right past that Wild Eagle coaster. But folks, soon, if not now, to your left, you'll see our newest coaster. That's the Fire Chaser Express. Now, this is a dual launch coaster, and there's not too many of them around. You launch out forward, hit speeds about 34.5 miles an hour, which may not seem all that fast, but around those turns, that's a moving. Next thing you know, you're in this fireworks building, and when you know it, as luck would have it, it's about ready to explode. Here comes the second launch. You launch backwards just as fast as you came in. And at 39 inches or taller, you can ride on this ride. So this makes for a great family coaster. So if you get a chance, check it out. Should be a lot of fun.
Life is life, a mountain with an end that's great. We must make the run successful. From the grave to the grave, watch the birds, the hills and tunnels, never fall, never fail. Keep your up under throttle, and your eyes upon the rail. Where you say
looking toward the engine and waving our fireman Chris. He's the one responsible to get us up on the mountain today by shoveling all that coal into the firebox. These engines operate the same way today as when they were first built. The coal is hand shoveled in the firebox. On a busy day, Klondike Katie will eat about 5 tons of coal and drink about 5,000 gallons of water. And she pulls an average of 4,000 to 5,000 people up the mountain. We're awfully proud of those engines and the guys who operate them, and hope you enjoy right behind them as much as we do. On your left is Pigeon, home to Dollywood's award-winning wooden roller coaster, the Thunderhead. And let's not forget Mystery Mine. That's a steel roller coaster with high speeds, white knuckle loops, and an 85-foot drop straight down a mine shaft. If you came in on a one-day ticket, did you know today and today only, you can upgrade that one-day ticket to a season pass? Yes, for less than the cost of another day pass, you have a whole season of memories with unlimited visits all the way up to January 3rd, 2016. It's the best of the Smokies. Now we're coming on one spot crossing up here. Y'all be sure to wave at these folks. Show them how friendly we are on the Dollywood Express. Those in the back can practice on these pine trees. They're fighting for some attention. Yeah, I'm sorry, I shouldn't needle you to do that. Yeah, I know, kind of savvy. Folks, look off to your left and wait to Miss Lillian. She's that gal kicking up her heels with a banjo in one hand and a chicken in the other. She'll have you laughing and dancing while you chow down on some of the best tasting chicken around. Go see Miss Lillian. She's so much fun. Hey, speaking of fun, we're at the main crossing. Let's have some fun. Let's make some noise. You know what to do. 1, 2, 3. Howdy! Let's see us having fun. And maybe they'll want to come ride on the Dollywood Express. Over on your right is Dollywood's full-service train shop. That train shop of all these years is fully capable of completely rebuilding these engines from the wheels to the smokestack. Hidden bars out there, that's you gotta find. Bringing in that joy.
Once again, folks, we'd like to remind you to please remain seated until it's safe to exit. Please bear with us for a few moments when we stop. We have a few passengers on our last car, but we'd like to give a little bit of a head start before everyone else exits. Thank you, and enjoy yourself here at Dollywood.
At this time, please take a moment to look around and gather up all your personal belongings, such as your purses, shopping bags, stuffed animals, backpacks, cameras, cell phones, babies, cranky husbands. But, well, you get the idea. Also, with any trash you collected along the way, we very much appreciate it if you deposit that trash in our trash barrels located all along the boardwalk when you exit to the right. If you had your picture made when you came in to the Dollywood Express Depot station, those pictures are ready and waiting for you as you exit out the back gates. And those in the station, please stay behind the chains. And again, one final reminder, I need everyone, and I do mean everyone, to remain seated even after we come to a complete stop. I've got a few passengers on the back I am going to give a little bit of a head start to, so that'll be the reason for the delay. Again, you must stay